So here's your first look at a real and fake pair. Can you spot any differences? Hopefully this comparison helps you at home. Hello, today we're taking a look at two pairs of the Nike Mercurial Vapor 16 in the new Nike United pack. This is the retail one here, this is the fake one here. This is just to help you at home if you are trying to purchase a retail one. It's an expensive pair of foot boots, about £255, and this is just to help you at home if you are trying to buy a real pair. So I must emphasize it does not support the counterfeit industry in any way, just to help you at home buy the real product. So we'll take a look at the differences and compare them side by side to help you at home. So first, real one always should come in the box. This is the Elite pair, and this is what the label looks like. Pick them up in a size UK 10. Just pause the screen here to take a close look at the label just to make sure it's the same as the one you've got at home. And then we'll open it up because this is a Nike silver box. Comes with a little sticker, as you can see here, Nike United sticker, which is a quite little, which is a cool little touch. Move that to the side. Also, the Elite pair obviously comes with a boot bag. This is the graphic on the front. The back of it is completely plain, but it's in that kind of lilac purple colour. And then we have the paper, and here are the boots. I have to say, this colourway looks spectacular in person. I really do like it. The fake one obviously doesn't come in a box, just comes in this bubble wrap and then this wrapping, so we'll take them out. Oh, they stink of glue. That smell is so strong. Whoa, I wasn't expecting that to be so strong, but there we go. So here's your first look at a real and fake pair. Can you spot any differences? Hopefully this comparison helps you at home. God, that smells so strong. So the first thing to note is they're both the Elite version. This is not the lower tier version that everyone always says it is. It is meant to be the Elite version as this one is. However, there are a few mistakes and a few differences you can look out for when you're trying to buy this pair. So on the Elite version, it is a full Nike grip knit upper. So this upper is very sticky and grippy and also completely waterproof, as you can see here. Has a layer of protection over the top. The fake one, however, does not have this. There is no Nike grip knit here, so it's like a sock-like texture, and when you wear these in the rain, your feet are going to get very wet and soggy. Yeah, there's no grip on the ball whatsoever compared to the retail one, which is a lot stickier. This is the retail one in hand, and it actually has two textures. So you can see this front section here with no pattern on it, and the slight divide here on the side. You can see that stitching going along the side there, which divides the pattern in half. If we look at the fake one, you can see the design pattern splits here. However, the stitching line is actually slightly off center. It doesn't cut exactly at the halfway line, so it's a clear difference once again. These are both dead stock, never been tried on. The retail one comes laced and ready to go, so all the way to the top, so you can just slide the boot on, tie them up, and you're ready to go. The fake one, they didn't do this. They seem to always leave the top few laces completely free, which is a telltale sign that fake. This is obviously only for when they're dead stock and brand new. For this colorway in particular, it has a very distinct lilac kind of purple color. It's really obvious to tell the difference between the two. And if you look at this kind of like sock-like material going through the middle under the laces, compare it side by side, you can hopefully see a slight color difference. This one here, the fake one, has gone for a more blue color compared to the proper lilac purple that it is on the retail one. This is actually not the first Nike United colorway that they've done. However, on the outside it does say Nike United 001, as you can see there, and that font and text is all the exact same size, going all the way along to even the numbers at the end. If we look at the fake one here, you can see it says Nike United 001, but the 001 is in a completely different font to the Nike United text, which is a complete mistake. Spinning the boot around to the back, you can actually see the shape is very different, and I'll show you here from the actual sock opening as well. Look at the difference in shape between the two, but also look at the difference in shape at the heel. This one is designed to fit your heel perfectly, whereas the fake one won't, and it will probably feel very uncomfy at the back. Looking at the details as well, this has the Nike United text on the back here, so the N and the U. Don't know if I've got that back to front because I can't really see it in the camera. You can see they're lined up perfectly. If we look at the fake one, however, you can see they're a little bit squint and all over the place, which is incorrect. Spinning the boots upside down and taking a look at the sole plates, you can see a clear color difference once again, and they have got the color wrong. On the real one here, you can see it's this light green color in the air zoom pocket in the middle, and all the studs are the same color. If we look at the fake one, you can see they've gone for a much darker, almost volt yellow color here, which is different if you compare them side by side. Looking at the pattern on the side here, it actually has a matte finish on the retail one here, so there's no real shine to it whatsoever. If we look at the fake one, they've gone for a glossy finish here, so you can see in the camera, look how it shines, which is incorrect. And let's take a look inside the boots. So the real one comes with double paper shoe tree, which you can see here, which I just ripped. And then the fake one comes, oh, it does come with a paper shoe tree right at the bottom, which is just a tiny little bit of paper. You can see big difference between the two. And then we'll take a look at the insole. So retail one out first, and then we'll take out the fake one. In terms of details, you can see it has the Nike United details there, also the two female players that have inspired this design. And then on the right insole of the retail one, it has a longer list there. The fake one has actually got this mixed up, so it's on the wrong insole. So this is on the wrong one, so it should be on the right insole, but it's on the left insole. And they don't actually have the insole, which just has the two players here. This is a long list on both of the fake insoles. Hopefully you can see this, but on the inside there, you can see the air zoom pocket material at the front of the sole. Hopefully you can see that. If we look at the fake one, they've not really got this. It's more of a see-through material. Hopefully you can see that there. It doesn't have the same air zoom, so I promise you this is probably not going to be as comfy. And I actually doubt there's actually an air zoom pocket in it at all. But hopefully this video has helped you if you are trying to authenticate your pair, because it is a stunning pair of football boots. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of this new design and colorway. I think it looks absolutely amazing. And I hope this video has helped you spot the differences between a real and fake and what you should look out for, because you don't want to be fooled, because Mercurial Vapor 16 is a fantastic pair of boots. If you would like shorter content, follow me on TikTok. I have a giveaway going away until the end of the month. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day.